it's white. I didn't know it was white. Okay, your mother.
I'm dead.
Did I put it smooth enough?
Yeah, you did.
There you go.
Thank you, babe. This what you was doing. I'm like, ain't no
Yeah.
way.
That was the last place like I was. Yeah.
Fire, fire. I like it, I like it, I love it.
I want it in the bed. His grandma got him this for his birthday. $20. Lion King outfit. Here, we didn't get the big container of that, so he got a little thing, so I don't know if he'll like it. He has a birthday cake he can eat on his own. He has an outfit for his birthday that he has to put on. He got actual chicken that came from Petco that he can eat.
He gonna like that.
His last gift is this. He got 2 toys and all this random stuff. And that's Leo's bag for his birthday. I got myself toothbrushes. So they have a deal where you get two big canvases in a pack. So I got 4. And I was like, I know I won't be out there for a minute, so if I want a big canvas, I better get a tiny one. And I have some flatboard practice ones. Boom.
It's Leo's birthday today. I'm actually gonna do a little bit of talking, y'all. Just a little bit. But it's Leo's birthday today, and I need to get him outside, so. We made it back inside. I'm about to get ready to get in the tub. I got a button up. Don't mind this nail. I broke it, y'all. If y'all wondering. Of course, I love a good dress shirt. Extra large.
It's your birthday.
Back up, Leo.
Birthday boy.
Alright, whatever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it. Blow it, Leo.
Yay.
Candle. Okay. Give me something to cut.
Now you get your cut.
You got me.
Don't let him run in the room. You know how he likes to do.
Miss ate my candy. Yeah, look.
Chicken.
Oh, no, you got your shoes.
See?
Friday?
Yeah, drop it.
He
He trying to go underneath the bed with it.
You recording?
He got a durable ducky. Squeeze it. It's supposed to squeak. He got a toy that he's not worried about right now. Dropping the chicken.
Dropping chicken on your toes.
He got a dog Joanna, and you put it inside of here.
That's popcorn.
She said that's popcorn.
The lion game. Yes, now I have a green big fluffy blanket.